It's a big blow to Chicago police and their union. Just a few hours ago, the state Supreme Court ruled in favor of the city, citing destroying officer misconduct records violates public policy laws. Now, the FOP says this ruling was greatly influenced by the national stage, where the conversation is greatly focused on police accountability.
I believe it is a bad decision. It has disastrous effects not only on our collective bargaining rights, but also every other union in this state specifically.
Chicago FOP President John Catanzara Jr. reacting to the Illinois Supreme Court decision, which backs the city of Chicago in determining that the city is not required to destroy misconduct records of police officers, despite a clause in the union contract that states most of those files are to be destroyed after 5 years.
This part of the contract was in place for better part of 4 decades. Now they're making a decision on current environment, current public policy. That's not the way contractual rights are supposed to work. They are basically bending to the will of current sentiment.
Illinois Supreme Court justices said it's a violation of the Local Records Act, which states local public records shall not be mutilated, destroyed, transferred, removed, or otherwise damaged or disposed of in whole or in part, except as provided by law. The justices also determined a court may not enforce a collective bargaining agreement in a manner that is contrary to public policy. It's a fight that's been in court for years, and one that the mayor saw personally during her time as president of the Chicago Police Board.
It is the right thing to do. We must maintain those records, and we must be transparent about what's in them.
The FOP president says that these files can be FOIA'd but cannot be used when considering discipline. However, they can be used in civil and criminal cases. The FOP is now considering taking this case to the U.S. Supreme Court. Courtney Gooseman, WGN News.